Today I'm gonna do stew lamb. So I have leg of lamb, boneless. So this is it. I'm gonna cut it up, wash, brush it for 8 minutes, then I do the stew. You cut it up pieces like this, like cube, not too thick. You see all this fat? If you can't cut it out when you pressure it, they will steam out. But I like to cut out most of the fat. See, a big piece of fat. But if I don't get out, even if, like I say, it's steam. I already cut my meat up, have it in a bowl. Cold water, 1/4 cup vinegar. Let that sit for 5 minutes, then I wash it clean. So I'll let that sit for 5 minutes in the water. Okay, I'm gonna complete the washing of my meat. Meat in the pot. I'm gonna add a little bit water. 8 minutes. That's it. So all the water is just to cover the meat, not more than that. Tablespoon garlic paste. Okay, I'm gonna put potato in my stew lamb. So I'm peeling this and get it ready. I don't use the peeler because I like to use a knife. It's better. I'm old school. I don't like when black spot or the eyes on the potato. Oh, I gotta put water in before it turns black color. You could cut your potatoes smaller if you want, but that's the size I like it to be. I use 6 potato. It's like medium size. Some small, some medium size, some smaller than medium size. All depends how much potato you wanted to put in your stew. I like a lot of potato. Why I don't use the peeler? Because look, I have to get all these. I don't like black stuff on the potato. Wow, it's so tender, very tender. Okay, I'm gonna drain the water out. You could see the oil, the fat from the meat. I cut out as much as I could. The fat steam out. And meat always shrinks. Lamb meat, goat meat. Full of parsley, cut up finely. And guys, I could cut like this and I could use a cutting board. When you do stew, you need good thyme, a lot of thyme. 6 strands of thyme. Boiled pepper from the garden that I pick and save in the freezer. Add 3. You could add how much pepper you wanted. Oil to coat the pan, medium heat. Garlic paste, I'm going to do a full tablespoon. Garlic paste. My tomato paste, so this is a teaspoon, that's 1, 2. You add the paste and you see how you like the color. Some people like a lot of paste, dark red, light color. So it's 3 teaspoons of paste. Now I'm going to add the potato and the meat. Add the salt to taste. MSG is a tablespoon. Turn this up. Just continue to cook on medium heat. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And it's hot water. Two cups of water. I just need water for the potato to cook because the meat is already cooked, it's soft. I think my color is good. The color is good. water, 3 add another cup because I want my potato to cook good. So water to cover the meat and the potato. Okay, let that cook on the medium heat slowly. Okay, 20 minutes until the potato cook. I don't want it with too much like gravy, so I will let it cook down. Medium heat. So in next 20 minutes I check back, see how everything is. Okay, I'm gonna cut some scallion up in my stew lamb. If you don't have scallion, you don't have to put it. I just want to put some scallion in it. You see my color? Very nice. I'm gonna do the first taste. Tastes very good, very spicy. That's my potato. Well done, cooked. So, see, potato cooked. This is the amount of liquid I need it with. The lamb is well cooked. The thyme, I could pick it out now because I get all the leaf them out that I need. So, pick the thyme out. Okay, the stew lamb, you could put it over rice. You could eat it with roti. You could eat it with naan or pita bread. You could even use regular bread. Whatever your choice is. Enjoy the lamb. Like and subscribe. Let me know how it is.